This video is about learning the importance of binary system. Computers use binary because it's a reliable way of storing data. Binary system codes for any command given to the computer by using zeros and ones to represent any value. Because the computer works internally with sequences of ons and off is encoded for 0 and on is encoded for 1. This internal language is called machine language. Back in the 70s, the Altair 8800 kit did exactly this, but with flipping switches. Within the memory measurements of the binary digits, one bit contains one or each of the zeros or ones. Meanwhile, a byte is a group of typically 8 bits. Because there are 2 digits in binary, 2 is a base number along with the number of digits raised to a power. Starting with the decimal of 1, continue off adding the same number repeatedly after the result. For example, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4 plus 4 equals 8, 8 plus 8 equals 16, 16 plus 16 equals 32, 32 plus 32 equals 64, and 64 plus 64 equals 128. Per se, you want to encode for 11. In order to encode for 11, you turn off and on the decimal numbers that adds up to an 11. For example, we know that the numbers greater than 11 should be turned off. Starting from the remaining highest number, which is 8, we can go from finding the remainings by subtracting 11 minus 8, which gives us 3. So we turn on 8 and 2 and 1 to get 11. There is one shortcut. If the number we want to convert to is one number off, like 127, we turn off 128, because it's the only greatest number than 127. Then we turn on the rest of the numbers and vice versa. Meanwhile, letters are interpreted based on standard rules like ASCII and the Unicodes like the UTF-8. With the binary numeric system, the machine language can be used from everything that you see, hear, and read through your screen made for billions of times over.